Right, showtime. Thank you, folks, for coming to Tuscany Bistro Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you a simple chicken recipe. All right. So here we got a piece of chicken breast, which just cleaned a few minutes ago. So here we got 4 eggs. Um, this is very simple recipe. All right, you see, we whisk the eggs a little bit. Make sure you season the eggs with little salt and pepper. We got Parmesan cheese. And parsley. All right. See how simple it is. Now we're gonna start our frying pan. We're gonna do a little bit olive oil, regular oil, and a piece of butter. So now here we got our eggs and Parmesan cheese ready. So now we're gonna season our flour. Make sure you season your flour and make sure you season your chicken. Has to taste good. You know, this time I have no gloves, but as long as you clean your hands as you go, it's fine. Just make sure you clean your hands constantly, especially when you're working with chicken. So right here, let me discard this and this. You see our chicken goes in the flour. We're gonna put it there. Make sure the pan is hot, but not too hot. You don't want to burn it. This is one of my recipes you're gonna see in my cookbook. So now we're ready with this. We're ready with this, and we're gonna clean our hands. Make sure you use plenty of soap. Right. Now, gonna clean our station. And this is how it's gonna go. See that beautiful color there? Look at how beautiful. Very simple. So right here, we're gonna take the chicken, some of this butter. This is gonna go in the oven. A few minutes. So right here, we're gonna start with little garlic. Little bit of onions, little bit capers. A little bit more olive oil. Cooking is supposed to be simple, something you enjoy and you love it to do. A little bit of wine, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, pepper, Now we're gonna put a little bit of velouté, a little bit vegetable stock. We're gonna bring this to reduce. Let it reduce. And we're gonna put a little bit of butter. Just a little bit. Has to taste good, you know what I mean? A little bit of butter, don't hurt nobody. Alright. Now, at this point, we're gonna get our chicken from the oven. It's gonna go right there in the sauce for a few minutes. So, in the meantime, we're gonna get ready our plate. Grab me a pizza lemon, Maximo. So, right here is going to be our side. This is local growing arugula, little bit sliced red onions, and little cherry tomatoes, little bit olive oil, okay. Little bit lemon juice. Okay. Yes. And we have a little bit salt and pepper. This is going to be our side. You know, when you have a fresh arugula, it's, you don't need too much dressing because the arugula herself has a lot of pepper, very peppery. So be careful how much salt or pepper you put in that. All right, look at this. Make sure your chicken is cooked completely, all the way through. 2 more minutes. A little bit more parsley. Now we're gonna taste it. Wow. You see, a simple recipe, not complicated. You can make it home, and it's so good and fast. Same time you take to make one, then make 6. So make sure you make this at home, folks. For you ladies up there, your husband will love you. So right here. So this is how we're gonna play. A little bit of that beautiful sauce. Okay? This beautiful arugula. Little bit of tomatoes. And there we go, folks. Parmesan Encrusted Chicken Breast, local arugula, red onions, and cherry tomatoes, and a caper lemon butter sauce. Hopefully you make it home. Thank you for coming to Tuscany Bistro. And remember, Christmas reservations, the night of the 7 fish. Thank you for coming. See you again.